Most residential builders choose estimating software the wrong way. They look for the platform with the longest feature list. But here's the truth no one tells you. The best estimating software is not the one with the most tools. It's the one that helps you create accurate estimates faster without slowing down your workflow. And if you pick the wrong platform, you can lose hours every week dealing with messy takeoffs, pricing confusion, and change orders that turn profitable jobs into stressful ones. In this video, I'll break down the best estimating software options for residential builders in 2026, explain which type of contractor each one works best for, and show you the biggest mistake builders make before subscribing. And later, I'll show you the hidden feature that matters more than AI tools or flashy dashboards. So let's get straight into it. First, let's answer the big question. What actually makes estimating software good for residential builders? It comes down to three things: speed, accuracy, and workflow simplicity. That's it. Because most residential contractors are not running giant commercial estimating departments. They need software that helps them build quotes faster, track costs clearly, and avoid expensive mistakes. Now imagine Jake runs a remodeling business doing kitchens and bathroom renovations. Every week, he's creating estimates manually using spreadsheets. Prices change constantly. Materials get missed. Labor calculations become inconsistent. One bad estimate can wipe out profit on an entire project. That's exactly why estimating software matters. Now here's where things get interesting. The best estimating software depends heavily on your business size and workflow style. That's the part many reviews ignore completely. Some builders need simplicity. Others need deep integrations and advanced takeoffs. Those are very different priorities. Now let's discuss some of the strongest options. BuildSact gets attention because it focuses heavily on residential builders and remodelers. Many contractors like it because estimating, takeoffs, and project management connect together in one workflow. That matters a lot. Because disconnected systems create operational chaos, fast.d. Now here's the problem. Some builders buy estimating software that's too complicated for their actual needs. This is where most people fail. They spend more time learning the software than creating estimates. That kills productivity quickly. Now in a minute, I'll show you the hidden feature that saves many residential builders more time than advanced automation tools. But first, let's continue. Buildertrend also remains popular among residential contractors, especially builders wanting estimating connected directly with client communication, change orders, and project management workflows. That integration can reduce a huge amount of manual work. Now imagine Alex managing multiple remodel projects, subcontractor schedules, and homeowner communication all at once. Integrated workflows become extremely valuable in that situation. Instead of jumping between spreadsheets and apps constantly, everything stays centralized. That operational clarity matters enormously. Now here's where things get interesting again. Many contractors underestimate how important professional presentation becomes during the sales process. Clean estimates build trust. Messy estimates damage confidence immediately. That's one reason modern estimating software creates value beyond just calculations. Now let's discuss another important category. Simple estimating platforms, DESE. Some contractors do not need giant, all-in-one construction management systems. They just need fast quoting, cost tracking, and cleaner estimate workflows. For smaller builders, simpler software can actually outperform larger enterprise systems. That surprises many people. But here's the problem. Contractors often assume more features automatically mean better value. That's not always true. Complexity can slow teams down dramatically. Now imagine John owns a small residential construction company with 2 office staff, several crews, and local remodeling jobs. If the estimating platform feels overwhelming, the team may stop using it consistently. Once adoption drops, the software loses value immediately. This happens constantly. Now here's the hidden feature I mentioned earlier. Templates. Good estimating templates save enormous amounts of time. especially for residential contractors repeatedly quoting similar projects. Bathrooms, kitchens, flooring, roofing, decks. Reusable templates can dramatically speed up estimating while improving consistency. That operational efficiency matters more than flashy AI marketing for many builders. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake residential builders make when comparing software pricing. But first, let's discuss integrations. This matters hugely in 2026. Builders increasingly want estimating software connected with QuickBooks, project management systems, supplier pricing, and scheduling tools. Because disconnected workflows create duplicate work constantly. That wastes time and increases error risk. Now here's where things get interesting. The best estimating software is increasingly less about calculations and more about workflow integration. That's the real shift happening in construction technology. Builders want fewer disconnected systems, not more. Now let's discuss pricing because this becomes a major decision point. Some estimating software platforms look affordable initially, but charge more as features scale. Others may cost more upfront, but replace multiple separate tools. That's why smart contractors evaluate total workflow value, not just monthly subscription pricing. Now imagine Jake pays slightly more monthly, but saves 10 hours weekly, reduces estimate errors, and wins more jobs through cleaner proposals. That software suddenly becomes extremely valuable. This is why ROI matters more than sticker price. Now here's another hidden issue. Learning curve. Many builders underestimate onboarding time, especially teams transitioning from spreadsheets. The best software should reduce friction, not increase confusion. That's why usability matters enormously. Now here's where things get interesting again. Residential construction estimating is becoming less about guesswork and more about operational consistency. Builders winning consistently in 2026 usually have repeatable estimating systems. That's the real advantage. Now let's answer the practical question directly. What is the best estimating software for residential builders? Honestly, there is no universal winner. But here's the simplest breakdown. BuildSect works well for residential builders wanting estimating combined with takeoffs and project workflows. Buildertrend fits contractors wanting estimating tightly connected with broader project management and homeowner communication. Simpler estimating platforms may fit smaller contractors prioritizing speed and ease over advanced features. Your workflow determines the best fit. That's the key takeaway. Now before we finish, let's summarize clearly. The best estimating software for residential builders should speed up estimates, improve consistency, reduce manual work, and fit naturally into your workflow. That matters far more than giant feature lists. Now here's the biggest takeaway. Good estimating software does not just save time. It improves profitability by reducing costly mistakes and operational chaos. That's where the real value comes from. So here's the bottom line. If you are a residential builder still relying heavily on spreadsheets and manual quoting, modern estimating software can dramatically improve speed, professionalism, and consistency. But the smartest builders choose platforms based on workflow fit, ease of adoption, and operational efficiency, not marketing hype or feature overload. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which estimating software you're currently considering. And if you want, I can also rank the easiest estimating tools for beginner residential contractors next.